since I was born, and now I'm how old I am, I have never seen this type of thing before. Maybe you have not seen it as well. You know, all I do these days is go on the internet since my daughter gave me a new phone. I saw this video. I was very inspired. I was very touched. I was surprised. I was clapping. There's nothing I did not do. This video is by a Nigerian here on YouTube. She does cooking videos and a lot of recipe videos and teaches people how to cook. I've been watching a lot of her videos. Yes. So her name is Flo Chinyere. The link to this video is in the description because I want you people to go and check out her channel and check out this video. This video is about her grandmother, which is also her children's great-grandmother. Can you believe it? May God keep us long to see our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren. May God keep us healthy. No need to waste your time. Let me just show you this video.
1918.
Hey, oh, upon soon normal. You see, no more all in the year, safe. I see, that's a Nigeria Hemela around that time, and all my years safe.
Oh, good.
So 101.
Influenza.
Wow.
At her age, not only did she remember the year she was born, she remembered the main events, the main activity that happened in that year. Is she not amazing? My prayer is that God will keep all of us in good health so that one day, so that we will have memory, strong memory, mental stability. Our memory will be sharp. That's my prayer for me and for you people that are watching. Carry on watching. In this next part, she was able to recite a chapter in the book of Job. A chapter in the book of Job in Igbo. Hey! She is one of a kind.
In a true nod, man on double mob in the neck from modern. When you think you were a mammy and I could name Mobonia, you were a convict and water. In a zip mama, Kahawe just thinking that walk Rupaja and I will walk Rupaja.
And now she recited the names of the Bible in Igbo, both the New Testament and Old Testament. Please, let's watch.
Genesis of Leviticus on Ogogo Deuteronomy. Joshua and Ruth. 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel. 1 on years, 2 years. 1 Ihemere, nobody in years, 2 Ihemere, nobody in years. Ezra Nehemiah is Job Abo Mailu. Ecclesiastes, Abonka Abo, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Abo Aqua, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Ebos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nehum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zachariah, Malachi. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, all on those in the room, 1 Corinth, 2 Corinth, the Galatia, the Ephesus, the Philippi, the Colossi, 1 Thessalonica, 2 Thessalonica, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, Philemon, the Hebrew, James, 1 Peter, 2 Peter, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, Jude. I'm
so happy for this woman. I'm happy for her family. I pray that her family, all of them, will live long and keep on retelling her stories and their stories to other generations. God is good. Thank you so much for sharing this amazing video with us. Please, you people, the link to this video is in the description somewhere. Please, click it, watch it. If you haven't subscribed to this beautiful Flo Chinyere yet, please subscribe to her channel so that you can, you will learn. There's no kind of food you will not learn how to cook. Bye bye.